Oh! 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 Oh!
Yep, real tight, real tight, real tight.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Bass and Buckets. We're gonna do a real talk episode this morning. It's pretty cold, but we got a first-time visitor on the channel.
How you doing, guys? My name is Miguel. Ayesa. I'm a South boy. Not really used to this cold, but we try our best.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain, but I live in Miami, Florida. It's currently 71 degrees over there. It's 30 over here, so I'm really cold.
But you're excited to go fishing. How many times have you asked me in the last week?
Probably like 7 or 8 times. I just want to go back to my glory days. I've caught 1 bass in my career. Try to make it 2.
That is true. He is a one-time bass catching fisherman.
I'm very hopeful.
All right, we're gonna get out there and try to catch some fish.
Let's get it.
But
You gonna record me
I have
in the
to.
boat, bro?
All right.
Yo, how did I do this now?
Just be careful.
Yeah, I know. Oh my God, dude. I'm gonna fall in the water.
Yo, okay, hold on. I'll help steady the boat.
Yo, chill. That was easy money, dude. What is up, guys? We're out here in the water. Getting on the boat was a bit of a struggle. No balance whatsoever. Thought I was gonna fall in the water. Hoping I don't fall in the water. Let's get this fishing trip started.
All right,
Where are we casting?
cast a couple right at that tree.
That falling over tree?
Yep, and let it sink a little bit.
Yo, I'm elite. I forgot to pull down the thing. Always remember to pull down the thing.
Correct.
Perfect cast. Wow. You know there's fish there? You saw them?
There's one. Oh, I just had one.
Oh, oh, dang.
First fish I had. Lost it though.
Yeah, I think I had like a couple on the same one, but I lost them too.
Yeah, you had just a couple too, yeah?
A couple on the same one. That's crazy. It never happens, right? Oh,
Got one? Yep,
oh,
set the hook.
oh, 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 oh.
I think you're stuck.
You think I'm stuck?
Yeah, but I'm not.
Oh yeah, I'm stuck. Oh, you got a fish? Really, bro? What am I stuck on?
First one in the boat.
It's gotta be the biggest fish ever, dude. Get back out there, man. I'll catch you later. Yo, what am I stuck on, man?
I don't know, but we're gonna get it off.
I got very excited.
All right, give me your rod.
Not very nice.
Yes.
I should. Yeah, I think I should.
There's ice on my reel. That's how cold it is.
Come on, I feel at least one coming today, man. At least one.
You'll catch one.
Let's get one before macro econ.
You know how we do it.
You know how we do, man. Trying to take the edge off. It's a stressful class. Got a test on Friday.
All right, what do you think the water temp is?
I'm gonna say 15 degrees.
What did you say that?
15 degrees Fahrenheit.
You think the water temperature is how much?
15 degrees.
What does water freeze at?
Oh, 32. That's crazy. So it would be like 40.
Yeah, 40, exactly.
On the dot?
Yeah.
No, I was thinking Celsius, that's why.
Oh, okay, I get it.
Yeah, it's all good though. Guys, pray for me through the screen, please. It's been a rough 16 minutes and 24 seconds. Just freaking smash that like button and that subscribe button if you want me to catch a fish tonight or today. Am I right, Luke?
Yes, sir.
Shameless plug. Yeah.
We're gonna troll again, okay?
We gonna troll these fish, man. Freak this fish. Right in front, baby. Coming right up. Yeet.
That was pretty trash.
Well, what if I catch something on this trash cast?
You might. I'm not gonna lie. You might. That sun is the only thing that's keeping me living.
I feel that, man. I'm just looking forward to this chocolate milk after having it in my pocket.
The ice cold and the can
That'd be nice and cold, man. If I don't catch a fish today, I'm gonna be very disappointed. I'm gonna be very mad during my macroeconomics class. I'm gonna be so mad I'm not gonna turn my camera on. Oh.
Yeah. So the hook, you got one.
Oh!
Yep, you got one. Keep reeling. Yep, real tight, real steady. Keep it steady. Yep, you got a good one.
Oh!
Keep him coming.
Yes!
Yep, just keep him real and steady. Bring him towards me. Keep your rod tip down. Just keep the line steady. Keep it tight. Okay.
Is it steady and tight?
Yep.
Is this tight enough?
Yep. Okay, and then bring him towards the net.
Oh, come on. I want to see your face. I
Yep.
want to see your face.
Over here.
Oh, yeah.
Bring him to me. Stop reeling.
Oh, baby. That's a big old one. Yes, sir. I got you.
Let's go.
Let's go, man. Woo! Woo! Yeah, yo, I'm hyped, bro. I'm hyped.
You're a beast.
I'm hyped. Let's go, man. Hyped. I need to hold it and put it to the camera. Can you take a picture of me?
Hell yeah.
I'll post it on my snap. On my
Go
That's
crazy.
a big one, baby. That's a big old one.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, sir.
Remember how to hold them or no?
Yes. Deep throw it.
All right. Finger in the mouth.
Right here?
Thumb in the mouth like that.
Like that?
Yep. Actually, put your other fingers underneath, like on the bottom, or like down here. See that? With that finger.
Like that?
Yeah. Manhandle him. Yes, sir. All right. Who you got anyone you want to thank?
I want to thank my mom, my dad, man. I want to thank my sister as well. But most importantly, I want to thank my teacher, Luke Lowy. You know, he really set me up for success. I'm just happy. This is my second fish caught in freshwater. I'm a little nervous right now. You know, my legs shaking, but man, I'm just happy, man. I can go to macro econ. I'm just happy now.
Yes, sir. That's a nice one.
That's a nice one. She's pregnant. Wow. I hope you have great kids. Release?
Yep.
Yo, he's dead.
No. She'll swim away.
Yo, namaste, man.
She's gone.
Standing ovation.
Yes, sir.
Let's go, man. Type. We're aiming for a second one.
You ready to get another one?
Yeah, we got another hour going. Second one, maybe third one. What are we thinking?
Yeah, let's do it.
What's up, Teach? Where are we casting?
Right here.
Where? I can't see.
That way. Into the sun.
To the sun. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, freaking. Like, just offhand. That was a fight with a monster. Man.
That was. All right.
A river monsters on Discovery Channel.
Just reel that in really slow, like it's a cast.
Like this. Oh, is that it?
Yeah. Set him.
Oh!
Yep, you got him. Keep reeling.
Let's go, baby! Oh, I think I lost it.
No. Did he?
I did, yeah. So what's up, guys? End of our fishing trip. I would say it was semi-successful. I had 3 fish on line, caught one of them. The other 2 escaped, but sometimes that's how it be.
I think it was I can't even talk. My face is frozen. I think it was a successful trip. Very cold. Miguel caught his first bass though by himself. That was nice. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, what do you gotta do?
You gotta smash that like button and subscribe. Yeah. Smash that like button and subscribe.